You missing out on millions of dollars a year by still running your credit repair company and ain't transitioned to business funding yet. I'm telling y'all right now, credit repair companies is gonna keep you down with lower level clients and customers. That's gonna be a big headache and they not paying big prices. So when you transition your credit repair company over to a funding company, now you dealing with higher level clients, higher level customers, people that's going after big money so that you can make big money. Now I know I've been telling y'all how the business plan go. Okay, you get a client funded at $50,000. Okay, 10% commission of that is $5K. You get your client approved for $100,000. 10% commission that you gonna charge is $10,000. So wouldn't you want to run a business to where you helping people get access to hundreds of thousands of dollars and then you making 5 to 10K per client? That changes the whole game. Now look, y'all that's been running credit repair companies, y'all know what people need to get their credit cleaned up to get funded. Y'all already doing the cleaning up with the credit, but you leaving money on the table. Like I said earlier, you're missing millions of dollars because you're not offering business funding to go along with it. Now, I know how it go. Hey man, I've been studying credit repair for all these years. I haven't got into the funding game yet. That's why you know your boy Mr. CJU, I've developed a whole infrastructure, a whole system using Go High Level to where I'm gonna show you guys how to get access to this whole infrastructure and system to start your funding company with ease. All right, I eliminated the long learning curve that's gonna take you years to learn how to do funding properly. Okay, now that you guys know how to repair people credit, I got the information to get people funded. Y'all know I get a game all day long on my YouTube, but when you really ready to do it as a business, I got that for you. Now all my other YouTube videos I've been dropping, I've been putting the information down in the description. My phone number where you guys can text me personally. You can text me 832-551-3809. You guys can text me. Tell me what your name is. Tell me what type of business you running. If it's a credit repair business, cool. Tell me how long you been in business. You know what I'm saying? Tell me how many clients you got, and just let me know that you're ready to transition to business funding. So therefore, I can give you all the information you need. You're gonna get the information for free. Okay, y'all know how I do it at CJU. I don't charge you guys for the information. The only thing you guys will have to pay for is just using my software and system to run it. So I'm gonna give you an infinite chance, an unlimited chance to make as much money as you want, and you keep all the commission. You keep all the money. I'm gonna just give you the information. All right. So all you guys gotta do is reach out to me that want to transition from credit repair to funding, so I can take your game to the next level. All right, because you need somewhere to take these clients after they get their credit repaired. Do you want to always just send them to somebody else and then you just get a little referral fee? How about you start your own funding company since you already got the credit repair clients? And I'm telling you, once you make this transition, it's gonna take your game, your money, all the way to the next level. I'm telling you, man, especially when you're running with an automated system. So again, if you're not too familiar on how to run a funding company, don't worry about it. You can click down in the description on this YouTube video. I'm gonna have a link down there where you can go to my website. I'm gonna give you all the information for free. I got a whole course for free how to set up your funding company, man. Y'all know I'm gonna get that to y'all. I want to see y'all win. I want to see y'all help people repair their credit, and I want to see y'all help people get access to a lot of money so you can get paid a lot of money. All right, so credit repair people, don't leave that money on the table. Start your business funding company. You know I'm gonna help y'all set it up. It's your boy Mr. CJU. Hap hap.